you cannot do, what you cannot solve does not exist. Oh, this is the confidence that when we come to you, what you cannot fix, what you cannot do, my God, not you cannot solve, does not exist. Oh, what you cannot fix, what you cannot do, what you cannot solve, does not exist. Oh, what you cannot do, oh, does not exist. I've never seen, I've never had that what you cannot do, no sickness that you cannot heal, it does not exist. I've never seen the righteous forsaken, now he's she begging for bread. What you cannot do does not exist. You gave your only son, what else can't you give it to me? What you cannot do, with you all things are possible, oh God, it does